So this is the fourth segment of my series. Let's go back to SSS. What is the sickness benefit under the SSS? It means 90% of the salary is paid to the employee for a period not longer than 120 days when he gets sick. Nagkasakit siya, babayaran siya ng SSS. 90% of his salary for 120 days. Hindi naman na forever and ever. 120 days lang, 4 months. Ngayon, what are the requisites? I've already told you, ang requisites that kailangan meron siyang at least 3 months contribution within the 12-month preceding his sickness. And second, dapat na-confine siya. Kailangan ba sa ospital o sa clinic o pwede ba sa bahay? Pwede namang sa bahay, pwede sa clinic, pwede sa ospital. Kung sa bahay, kailangan lang may medical certification na talagang hindi siya pwedeng lumabas ng bahay at kailangan niyang magpahinga, short his bedridden. That's number 2. And third, kailangan naubos niya yung kanyang sick leave. The sick leave with full pay must have already been used. So, yung sick leave, pwedeng SILP, pwedeng sick leave under the CBA, o sick leave as a company practice. Kung SILP yan, 5 days yan. Ubusin niya muna bago siya mag-apply ng SSS sickness benefit or sickness allowance. Kung CBA yan, kung ilan yung sick leave sa CBA. Kung company practice naman yan, the sick leave must not be less than 5 days. And fourth, he must notify his employer within 5 calendar days of confinement. Pwede naman text, pwede naman tawag over the phone. Or kung in the alternative, pwede ngang i-notify niya yung SSS kung gusto niyang mag-claim sa SSS directly. So, ang claim ng isang may sakit na empleyado, pwedeng sa employer or pwedeng sa SSS directly. In both cases, kailangan meron kang pinail na notice for within the 5-day period of your confinement. Now, assuming that the employee files the claim before the SSS. So, before the employee, hindi siya nag-file sa SSS. Kung nag-file siya sa employee, before the employer, sorry. Before the employer, sabi niya, boss, magpa-file ako ng SSS sickness benefit sa'yo. Pwede bang sabihin ng employer niya, hindi, kung ka mag-file sa SSS, no. Kung mas convenient sa employee na mag-file ng sickness benefits with the employer, kailangan i-grant ng employer yan. So what is the obligation of the employer in this regard? Babayaran niya yung sickness benefit or sickness allowance on the 15th and 30th day of the month. So in effect, parang tutuloy niya pa rin yung sweldo ng empleyadong may sakit for 120 days. And after that, ang remedy niya is that kung in-advance niya yung sickness benefit sa employee, he can get the reimbursement from the SSS. Sabihin niya sa SSS, nagkasakit yung empleyado ko, in-advance ko yung sickness benefit, please reimburse it. I-reimburse siya ng SSS provided two things, prescriptive period to, he must notify the SSS within 5 days after the confinement of the employee. 5 days, yung empleyado, up and about, already in the pink of health, fit to work na. So, bumalik na sa kanya, boss, reporting for duty. Diba? Within 5 days after the confinement of the employee, the employer must notify the SSS about